Hello everyone, myself Achal and my project partner is Srinidhi. So our application name is MarkZone. So uh, so why we have built our application MarkZone? So it basically helps both teachers and students, where the teachers can add or store add the records of every student internal marks, and they can have a list of every student record in a single place itself, whereas it helps the students so that they can see the they got in each subject through our application itself. So coming to the application, we have added an icon to our application. This is our icon. So when we go into the application, basically initially it will show a splash screen for 10 seconds. Then after that, it displays a home page. In here we have to there are two options. If I'm a teacher, then we have to press the teacher button, or if I'm a student, we can go through the student button. So in the teacher button, so while pressing the teacher button, next we have given a login page in order to authenticate, so that no student can directly log into the teacher part. So here we have given a username and password as Sayadri itself. So if it is a success, then it will show a success toast message here. So if it fails, then there it will show. If we give an invalid username or password, it will show a test or toast message that sign in failed. So after a successful sign in, it comes to the mark details section. So here there are three buttons. One is to add student record, then another is to view the marks of the each student, and another is if there is any updation in marks, then they can update the marks through this section. So in the ad, when I press the add records, so this page will appear. Here we have to here the teacher have to enter the name of the student. Here I'll give the name as Aditya. So the respective subject marks. Our internal marks is based on 40. So I'm giving the marks inside 40. So on pressing the add entry button, it will show toast record inserted successfully. If I have not given any one of the in while entering the while entering any name or student record, if I leave any one section blank, then it will show a toast message as please enter all the details. So in order, let's see if the record Aditya has been. So in order to see the inserted record, I'm going through the view all marks. So here the name and the marks that I entered now has been displayed in this section. So now if I want to delete this Ramesh, if I want to delete that student record, so we all I have to do is here I have to just enter his name. So on pressing delete student, it will show a toast message record deleted successfully. Also, if now again if I check that if Ramesh has been deleted or not, if that name Ramesh is still there or no, we can check. So, so it will display the toast message no record found since we have already deleted that student record. Let's see in the view all marks section. So Ramesh student record has been removed from the this record section. So now if for the updation part, update marks, now let's change the mark of Aditya. While I press that update marks button, I I have to press the student name that I want to update, then the marks that I want to update. So on pressing update marks, here I have given all the marks as 40. It will show record updated successfully. If there is no student record, for example, if I give an Ramesh and if I enter the marks, then it will show a toast message that there is no such record. On also, if I give empty blank, if I leave any section blank, then it will show toast message as please enter all the details. So now, so the mark that I have updated in the name Aditya, it has been updated successfully, and also all the marks have been updated. So these are the sections that teacher can do. So next, if a student logins, then we have given two section. One is the class result. In this section, he can view the marks of all of every student of his class. And another one we have given is view marks part. In this section, if he press, he can particularly view his only marks. Like if I have, for example, I'll give now the name as Aditya. I- So when I give the search button, my result will appear. So the name and the marks I have obtained, those will appear here. If I give blank, then it will show a message. Please enter your name. And also, if I give the name that is not there in the uh, record, then it will show a toast no records found. So this is our application. So in a in our application, so we have used a single database. In the database, we have used five columns. The one is to store the name, then the respective subjects. So in the we have inserted the data using the insert data function, while we have delete to delete the student record, we have used delete data function. And then in order to get that particular student record, that is to view the marks, we have written the function get data. And for also for updation of the data student records, we have written the update data function. So these are the some functions that we have written in database part. Then we have then we have used some totally 7 to 8 classes. In each we have given for example, if for a home page, then uh, this action is when I press that button, so where it has to go, so that is done through intent. Similarly, we have done for all the other classes. So totally we have used 1 2 3 4 5 6. Totally we have made use of 11 classes to complete our project. Thank you.